little artists! Do you love playing in the playground? Today, we are going to draw a super fun double slider playground.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw the left slider. Draw two big curved lines going down. Now, connect them at the bottom. Great job! Now draw two small stands at the bottom of the slider. Awesome! At the top, draw a railing to make it safe. Nice work! Now let's draw the second slider on the right. Again, draw two curved lines going down. Perfect! Draw the stands at the bottom of this slider too. Great job! Add the top railing for the second slider. Looking good! Now, in the middle, draw a vertical bar. Add small horizontal steps to make a ladder. Wow, you're doing amazing! Let's draw the ground under the sliders. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Look at all these color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Let's color together. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow! So colorful and fun. Amazing job, little artists. Your double slider playground looks super fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings.
Yay!
See you in the next drawing. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.